200 logs are stacked in the following manner. 20 logs in the bottom row, 19 in the next row, 18 in the row next to it, and so on. In how many rows are the 200 logs are placed, and how many logs are in the top row? See here, 20 logs in the bottom row, then 19 in the next row, 18 in the next row, and so on. There are total 200 logs. So you have to find in how many rows are the 200 logs are placed and how many logs are in the top row. See here, total we have 200 logs. That is Sn is equal to 200 and 20 logs in the bottom row. That is, it can form AP. That is 20 in the bottom row, 19 in the next row, 18 in the next row, and so on. And in total we have 200 logs. Now, here we got AP, so you can write A, that is 20. D is 19 minus 28 to minus A1, that is minus 1. So D is minus 1. Now, we have Sn. Sn is equal to 200. Now, see here, Sn formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 200. N we don't have, n by 2 into 2 into 20 plus n minus 1, D is minus 1 is equal to 200. Keep n here itself, 220s are 40. Now here n into minus 1 is minus 1n, minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1, that is minus 1n plus 1 is equal to 200 into 2. This 2 is from LHS. Now n, here 40 plus 1 is 41 minus 1n is equal to 400. So 41n minus 1n square minus 400 is equal to 0. Now rearrange the terms. Minus 1n square plus 41n minus 400 is equal to 0. Now change the sign because first term itself is negative. So n square minus 41n plus 400 is equal to 0. Now we have to factorize n square minus 41n plus 400. Use the splitting method. Now split 400 such that you have to get some minus 41. That is 25 16s are minus 25 minus 16 is minus 41. If you multiply minus 25 and minus 16, you will get 400. Therefore, n square minus 25n minus 16n plus 400 is equal to 0. N is common in the first two terms, that is n minus 25 minus 16 n minus 25 is equal to 0. So n minus 25 is common again, n minus 16 is equal to 0. So n minus 25 is equal to 0 or n minus 16 is equal to 0. Therefore, n is equal to 25 or n is equal to 16. Now we got two values for n. That is, in how many rows are the 200 logs are placed? 200 logs are placed in 25 rows or in 16 rows. And after that, how many logs are in the top row? If n is 25, there are 25 rows. So if n is equal to 25, then what is the number of logs in the 25th row? That is A25 is equal to A plus 24D is equal to, what is A? A is 20 plus 24 into minus 1. That is 20 minus 24 is equal to minus 4. We can't place minus 4 logs in the 25th row. It is a negative number, so n is not equal to 25. If n is equal to 16, if number of rows is equal to 16, then what is the number of logs in the 16th row? That is A plus 15D is equal to 20 plus 15 into minus 1. That is 20 minus 15 is equal to 5. Here for number of rows 16, we got A16 is equal to 5. Therefore, $200 logs are placed in 16 rows and number of logs in the sixteenth row, that is top row, is equal to 5. N cannot be equal to 25 because we got negative number as A25. It is not possible. Therefore, number of row 16 and the number of logs in the top row, that is 16th row, is equal to 5.